Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set alarm in this device. For this, open the clock application. So to set the new alarm, tap on the plus icon. So here you can change the time or you can set the time for the alarm. So now you can see it is 6 p.m. So here I am going to set the alarm for 7 p.m. So just tap on done and just wait for few seconds. You can see ring in less than 1 minute. Just wait for few seconds. Now you can see the alarm is ringing. So in this way you can set the alarm. So if you want to snooze, then tap on snooze, otherwise tap on stop the alarm. Okay, again I will show you, tap on the plus button and you can set the time. You can see you can set the time. Okay, and after that tap on done. So if you want to enter a particular alarm name, then you can enter here. If you want to set a ringtone, you can set the change the ringtone of the alarm also here. Okay, and also you can adjust the snooze time also. You can see 5 minutes. It will snooze after 5 minutes, after 5 minutes, after 5 minutes, in 3 times it will snooze. You can interval, you can see here, you can set the snooze time period also. So simply in this way you can set the alarm in this device. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.